Good morning students. I am going to tell you division by two digit numbers. Here is the number 56,456 divided by 87. We don't know the table of 87. Then how to divide it? See. First you write in this way. Now take 8 from here and 5 from here. We know that 5 is less than 8. That's why we are not able to divide even one time because 8 ones are 8 and we cannot subtract 8 from 5. That's why from here you can take 8 and from here 56. Now see how many times can we divide. It is 8 sevens are 56 means 7 times we can divide. Now 87 sevens are we will see. 87 sevens are 609. It is a rough column. 87 sevens are 609 and we are increasing one digit here. That's why here also we will increase one digit and under this 564 we'll write this number. We can see that 609 is more than, it is greater than 564. That's why 7 is more. That's why we'll see 6 are 87 6 are, I multiplied it, it is 522. Now we can write it here. 87 6 are 522. Now you subtract, you will get 42. Now take 5 from dividend. Now take 8 from here and 42 from here. See how many times can we divide? We can divide 5 times. 8 5s are 40. That's why we will see 87 5s are 435. It is more than 425. That's why 5s is more. That's why we will see 87 4s are. It is 348. Now 87 4s are 348. Now subtract it. We will get 77. Now take remain 6 here. Now we have 776. Now you divide 77 by 8 because 7 is less. That's why 77 by 8. When we divide 77 by 8, it is divisible 9 times. 8 nines are 72. That's why we'll see 87 nines are. It is 783. It is more than 776. Nines are, it is more. That's why we'll take 8s are. 87 multiplied by 8 means 87 8s are. It is 696. Now we will write here in quotient we will write 8. 87 8s are 696. Now you subtract it, you will get remainder 80. Now how to write the answer? Your quotient is 648 C and remainder is 80. Now division by 3 digit number. We have here 4,68,324 divided by 128. Here don't divide by 1. Take 12. We know the table of 12. 12 from here. 2 digit we have taken from here and from here also we are taking 2 digit 46. Divide 46 by 12. 12 3s are 36. 3 times we can divide. That's why here also 128 3s are. Here you multiply and see 128 3s are 384. We can write it here because 384 is less than 468. Again you see here we had taken 12 and here 46. Now to divide we had increased one digit here. That's why here also one digit we have increased. And under this number we will write here because we will not write here and here. We will write here. Okay, now subtract it. It is 84. Now take 3. Again take 84 from here and 12 from here. 7 times you can see here in rough column. 7 times we can divide. Now we see 128 sevens are. You see 128 into 7 is 896 and 896 is more than 843. That's why we will see 128 6 are. Multiply it, we get 768. Then we write 128 6 are 768. Now subtract it, we will get 75. Now take 2 from here. Now from here you take 12, from here 75. How many times can we divide? See, 12 6 are 72. 6 times we can divide. Now we see 128 6 are 768. It is more than 752. That's why we have taken 6 are. Sorry, 6 are is more. That's why we'll take 5 are. 128 5 are 640. Now we will write here 128 5 are 640. Now you subtract it, you will get 112. Now 4 is remain here, that's why take 4. Now when we take 12 from here and 11 from here, we can see 11 is less than 12. That's why we'll take 112 from here and 12 from here. Now you divide it. How many times can we divide? You can divide by yourself also. When we divide 112 by 12, then we can see we can divide 9 times. 12 nines are 108. So we will see 128 nines are 1152. It is more than this number. That's why 9 is more than, that's why we had multiplied 8 times. Now 128 8s are 1024. Now we will write here 128 8s are 1024. Now subtract it 100. Remember this, your remainder should not be more than divisor. If it is more than divisor, it means your division is wrong. Now here it is less, that's why your quotient is 3658 and remainder is 100. See this one.